Hello my friends, this is Hani Amri. I'm glad to see you here. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you are here for the first time, I should say I'm online entrepreneur, working online as affiliate since 2015. I did many mistakes. I struggled a lot, but I made it a successful business since the middle of 2017. I usually record these videos to share my actual and honest experience with people like you who they are planning or already started their online business and maybe some people who started earlier but struggle a little bit. So I'm sharing this honest and actual advices so that you can be away from making mistakes like what I have did in the beginning. So I will see you after this short intro. Welcome back my friends. Today I'm gonna speak about an important thing that a friend of mine was the reason to let me speak about it, because yesterday this my childhood friend called me. He's outside the UK actually. He said, you know, I have retired since 2018 and now I feel boring. I want to work and I have some time and some skills. I want to try what you have done, if you can guide me through. I said yes, I am ready to help you for everything you want. You are my best friend and I'm already now teaching people or trying to give some actual tips and advices and walk through for people who wants to join this digital world. I asked him first what kind of skills you have. Just remind me, please. He said, I have the basics. I said, it's fine. This is good. The basics is good from where we can go on. But do you have time? I mean, to invest right now to improve your skills? He said, no, you don't, you know, I'm busy, I'm always busy. I said, well, you are not working. What kind of business you are? He said, I go with friends, sitting in the cafe somewhere, usually go shopping, things like this. I said, yes, this is maybe take 1, 2, 3 hours from all the day. And then you maybe, no, it's necessary if you want to start seriously to this online business, so you need to invest some time. He said, I can't guarantee. What's this answer? You can't guarantee. You want to start online business. Online business is not like, for example, a push a button to get rich. It needs the preparation, it needs foundation, it needs to work on your, to improve your skills, to have a training, to read books, to attend webinars, seminars, any other training. So need a lot of work. It's not that easy, and you can't start now and expect to make money this month or even the same year. But things should be grow step by step. So I figure out my friend have a broke mentality. Here I would like to confirm or to speak a lot about this point. Please, guys, my friends, you have a basic skills, which is good. you don't have enough money, which is normal, but at least you make yourself ready to invest time. If you follow my advice or someone else, or by watching the videos on YouTube or anywhere, some people will teach you actual and honest steps like me. So you need to start. Don't, like, for example, keep everything as is and you want to make a business. It doesn't work like this. You need to start. You need to take action. Improve this kind of skill, add more skills, ask what this kind of online business wants. It's actual business. It needs a lot of work. I mean, but by the end, if you make it correctly and perfectly, and you work on it and keep your eye open for all the updates, the advices, the tips you people offering there. So by the end, you will find yourself jumping to a very huge and amazing world, which is the digital world. This is making money from home or anywhere, because it is your business will be working for you. So, my friend, I come again and again. Be away from this broken mentality. Be motivated. Be ready to acquire, to absorb, ask a question, wait for the answer, follow up, communicate with people. Like my friend who reached me out and asking for advice. This is a really good step. You put your leg on the your first step on the long way. It is a long way, my friend, and you need to be patient. You need to follow the steps and take the advice. And if you follow the step, you will by the end find yourself having a successful online business for you, for your family, for your kids, and for your future. My friends, I hope you heard the saying, nothing worth acquiring comes easy. I like this saying a lot because it is perfect, and as we are speaking about the online business, sometime a year, 2 years, 3 years, when you achieve a successful online business, will be a great move to the digital lifestyle, the time freedom, the location freedom, and also the abundance of life. And this is the real freedom we are all looking for. So keep acquiring, keep learning, keep taking action, improve your skills, watch videos, read books. All this will make your life easy and make your work online like a piece of cake. Yes, believe me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Please drop me a line. And there is some links in the description box for good online courses I've already tried. Have a look for more information, and check my channel daily, because I'm going to upload daily videos sharing my tips, advices, my actual experience with you people, to make it easy for you and to let you run your online business smoothly, easily, quietly, and smartly. Thank you for watching this video, and see you very soon. Thank you.